One of the things I find a little disappointing is when religious objects are defaced. I mean, this is it's actually quite disgusting. I mean, these buildings are symbols of faith that are centuries old, and people have just defaced them, or in many cases, things are just left to rot. There's so much history here, it's really sad to see things in that sort of state. So this will be a nicer view of Quatro Canti. You know, these horse-drawn carriages, that's like a hardcore tourist trap. I'd rather actually just rent a scooter and rip around town. Yeah, it's fairly normal for Sicilian men to be singing first thing in the morning. Now that it's daylight, I actually almost feel like retracing my steps from last night when I was in the ghetto there. Oh, that was quite the experience, I tell you. Quite the experience indeed. But I'll be off to Palermo Market again. Should be open by now. So I left I think around 6. So it's been an hour and a half. I'm filled with coffee. I'm feeling restless. I think I stopped by here yesterday. Yeah, I passed through here yesterday. There are a couple other sites and places I want to check out. One of these, I don't know what the hell these things are called. You know, I have no idea, like a tricycle truck or something. I have no idea what the weight capacity, what the payload capacity would be. I'm sure it's definitely less than 500 kilos. But I wouldn't even fit in the damn thing. If you look at the inside, it's just basically like an enclosed scooter. But I'd like to take one home. I'd like to take one home and drive around in that thing and fill the back up filled with lemons or some oranges or pineapple or something like that, and go around and sell it out of the back. But actually somebody would steal it, some crackhead would steal it and sell marijuana, heroin, or cocaine from the back. That's the results of Vancouver. Looks like this area is opening up now and people are awake and having their breakfast. It's good stuff. So off to Bolaro Market we go.